If you look at mRNA technology and its future, a lot of corporations have banked in the pharmaceutical or biotech industry on mRNA being the future vaccine technology. And I think if you look at the rise in cancers associated with mRNA technology in the SARS-CoV-2 vaccine, and there's a new study, a recent study that came out in Korea, which is a massive cohort study with a has a lot of statistical power, found 5 or 6 cancers that were associated with the vaccine, okay? And then many of these other studies looked at one type of cancer, for example, lymphoma in Sweden. They didn't find an association, but this Korean study looked at all types of cancers, and they're now finding these associations. So the writing's on the wall for mRNA technology. I do not think that it's going to be the future vaccine technology. And frankly, I'm not so concerned anymore with the old way of thinking that the emerging infectious disease threat that we should be concerned about are old world diseases. So Bacillus anthracis being weaponized, for example, a coronavirus being weaponized. Gain of function technology has evolved within the last 2 to 3 years at such a rapid pace. The future threat we need to be mitigating against and protecting against is actually synthetic pathogens and synthetic life. And I don't think, and I know for a fact that most of the world isn't aware that we've actually already created single cell life. It exists.